Why are tax problems such a burden to people? So I see this all the time. People come to me and no matter what problems they have in life, they're more scared of the IRS and their tax problems than almost anything. And they're worried about a couple things. So first, they're worried about the IRS coming and taking their money out of their bank account. They're worried about people finding out, like just basic shame. They're embarrassed to tell their wife, their husband, their mother, their friends. And it shouldn't be that way. Everybody makes mistakes. It's easy to fall behind on your taxes. There's a resolution for everybody. Okay. That should not be the thing holding you back in life. There's so many more important things. You just need to get your returns filed and then work out either a payment plan or settlement for the balances owed. And then you can move forward. Okay. Just by doing that, you can get your passport back. Okay. You can then be able to qualify for loans and buy a house and do all of those things. So it takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. I would say, the average time frame of a resolution is 6 to 9 months. Sometimes it's longer depending on, if you're applying for an offer and compromise. Just think about it. If you've had a problem for 5, 6 years and now it can be resolved in 6 to 9 months and then you don't have to worry about it, that's a good thing. Also, the next part is make sure you stay current going forward. So even though you had problems in the past, you can still literally file your current return or start paying estimated taxes so the problems don't continue. The most common mistake that I see people with tax problems make is, I call it the snowball effect. What happens is they try to pay their back taxes, but they don't stay current. So then they get another year where they don't pay in full and they get more penalties and interest. So what's most important is staying current. So what I tell people is, right now we're in May. We're in 2024. You should have almost 2/4 of your taxes paid for 2024. So that's what's most important. We want to make sure when we get to April next year, you don't owe taxes. Okay. So we want to make estimated tax payments, not pay your back taxes. Okay. So this way you're current and now the problems will stop from snowballing.